Hey guys, so I got another really cool product review for you guys. These products are coming from CyberGear. As you guys know, I've been working with CyberGear for quite some time now. They make excellent product, really good pricing, and they're also giving me a 20% discount code for all my viewers, which is ButterEV. I'm gonna leave all that information in the description below. But today what we have are Molle Panels. Molle Panels everywhere. I mean, we're going crazy with Molle Panels. We have a shelf Molle Panel, which I'm really excited about. We have a Frunk Molle Panel, which I think has been needed for quite some time, so I'm glad CyberGear is doing this. And then also we have some Molle Panels that are gonna line the whole bed of the truck, which is really cool. So if you're into Molle Panels, then this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and get these open. We're gonna get them unboxed. We're gonna take a look at them, and then I'm gonna install them and then give you guys my thoughts and how I'm probably gonna be using each Molle Panel. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so the first Molle Panel I want to install is the Frunk Molle Panel. What I'm really excited about is the fact that this panel is going to come up into this area. What's exciting about that is it keeps your gear up and out of the way. This is unused space, right? So this is something that no one else is doing. Now by putting Molle Panels up here, what I'm able to do is put the Molle pouches that I had on the bed divider. I can move them up into this area. And the reason why that's big for me is because if you guys follow my IG or if you guys follow me here on YouTube, then you know I put a lot of bigger items in the bed of my truck, and so I'm constantly taking out that divider and putting it in my garage. As a matter of fact, you could probably see it right over there, and my Molle Panels are attached to it. So there's times where I take that out and I leave the Molle pouches on the divider because I'm too lazy to take them off. And now if I get somewhere and I need, you know, my emergency kit, first aid kit, or my tire deflators or anything that's in those pouches, I don't have it. So now by putting this Molle Panel up here in the front, what it's gonna end up doing is keeping my pouches with me at all times, and I'm always gonna have access to them. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm gonna get it installed, and then I'm gonna grab some of my pouches, put them on here, and then let you guys take a look. So as you can see, I use my Frunk. I have a fold-up chair, I have my drill, I have a little tool kit, some strapping, and my recovery straps. So now let's go ahead and get this opened up. Instructions, which look to be very detailed. Love the pictures. Really hard to screw this up based off of the instructions here. So here's one panel, really strong. I can't even bend it. This is some strong stuff here. So overall, really like this accessory. Love that they did this. Thank you so much, CyberGear. Once again, I'm gonna leave all their information in the description below. And like I mentioned, there's a coupon code ButterEV for 20% off. Now let's go ahead and get to the bed of the truck, and I'm gonna install the rest of the Molle Panels. All right, so the first one we're gonna install here in the bed of the truck is the shelf. This is probably the one I'm most excited about, just because I love the idea of being able to put some gear, especially when I'm camping, up high. As you guys may know, I have IceCo APL 35 fridge that I keep in the bed of the truck. And so now I can have this shelf on top, and I could put some gear up there, still have my fridge underneath, still have some things under as well. And now I kind of have a little bit more working space when I'm out camping. So let's go ahead and get this open and get it installed. All right, so first things first is what I really like is the fact that it's all one piece. For some reason, I was thinking it was gonna be two pieces, one here, and then you're gonna have to bolt them underneath, but that's not the case. Also, what you can see here, the center is reinforced for extra strength. I really like that as well. So you're not getting strength just on the outside, you're also getting it in the middle. So it's gonna be able to carry heavier loads, which is really nice. All right, I'm gonna have to pivot a little bit. What I failed to realize is if I install the shelf first, then I won't be able to get in there and access the rest of the bed of the truck and install the rest of the Molle panels. So I've already removed all the hardware, all the screws, everything for the shelf. So that's all done for me, which is great. But now what I'm gonna do is open up the rest of the Molle panels that's gonna line the whole bed of the truck, which is really cool, and install all these. Then I'll get to the shelf. So let's go ahead and get this all opened up. All right, here you guys go. Here's the Molle panels surrounding the whole bed of the truck, which gives great protection as well as utility if you need to add a lot of different items like shovels and pouches and, you know, first aid kits and whatnot. The shelf is there as well, which I like. Like I said, I can put the fridge down underneath. It usually goes here. And then now I still have some surface to put different items when I'm camping, which I really, really like. Overall, I think this product is a good product. It's really well made. The instructions are pretty easy to read and understand and really simple to install. It just takes some time, obviously. I think it looks really good with my whole setup, with my Cybertruck Co bed rack, my rooftop tent, and then now when you open up the tonneau and the tailgate, you get this really cool industrial looking, military looking bed of a truck. So yeah, once again, the shelf, all the panels, the Frunk Molle panels is all from CyberGear. I'm gonna leave their information in the description below, as well as my coupon code BUTTEREV for 20% off. So you guys can go ahead and grab any of these items if you choose to. Thanks guys, see you guys in the next video.